Greetings! In our previous video, we showcased the GAB8, our newly released 10-channel audio amplifier board designed for multi-speaker systems. We received inquiries from customers regarding the possibility of adjusting the EQ for each channel individually. In this video, we will demonstrate how to achieve this functionality. So, let's get started. The GAB8 is powered by TPA3244 amplifier chips. With 10 channels, it delivers a continuous output power of 50 watts and a peak power of 75 watts with a combined robust fan and heatsink for optimal heat dissipation. One of the key advantages of the GAB8 is its support for USB codec digital input. By utilizing this feature, the amplifier eliminates grounding noise commonly associated with analog input, ensuring a clean and immersive audio experience. Simply connect the USB codec to your PC using a USB cable, and you're good to go. No additional setup or configuration is required, allowing for a hassle-free experience. Connect with speakers and power the GAB8 up with a DC 15 to 30 volts power supply. To achieve separate EQ adjustment for each channel, we will utilize the Equalizer APO software. Follow the steps below to download and use the software. Visit the official website to download the Equalizer APO software. You will also find detailed instructions on how to use the software on the same website. Once the download is complete, run the downloaded.exe file to start the installation process. During the installation, a prompt window will appear, asking you to choose the device. Tick the Wondom GAB8 device and click OK to proceed with the installation. After the installation is finished, navigate to the installation file folder and locate the editor program. Run the program to launch the Equalizer APO editor. After identifying the channels, it's time to create an EQ configuration file tailored to your specific requirements. You have the flexibility to choose between a 15-band, 31-band, or variable band EQ, depending on your needs. To enhance the audio effects, we can apply different EQ configurations to each channel. Let's proceed with a demonstration using 2 channels. If you found this video helpful, please kindly consider liking, sharing,